Hi, Julie, it's Jim. I just thought I'd get these Wallas sent to you ASAP. I know I owe them to you, and I hope you like them. And if you need anything else, please let me know. Maybe to cover a role in 19 Nocturne Boulevard? Hint, hint, sorry. I just thought I'd try. Anyway, here we go. My name is James Sedgwick, and I am recording this track to make available for use by anyone with no attribution or compensation is expected. Okay, here goes. Well, look who's here. I thought you weren't coming. Oh, I see. Well, put your coat over there and grab a drink. So, where were we? Oh, yeah. So my boss says to me I need to work late, and I tell him that if he wants me to work late, he's going to have to pay me to work overtime. You think he likes that? What'd he do? He told me that he can get a college grad to do my job for half the price. Well, I told him, try it. Hey, are those snacks fresh? Let me have one. Tasty. Ow! What is this, a snail? I think I chipped a tooth. Excuse me, I gotta go call a dentist. Oh no, look who just walked in. Can you believe her? Wearing a dress like that? That's not his wife. I'm so excited. This is my first time at a soiree like this. Isn't that too adorable? Who's got the glasses? Isn't there anything to drink? I hope you don't mind, but we're going to have to leave early. I'm here. The party can start. I definitely need another one. That was the babysitter. We need to go. Okay, Julie, let me know if you need anything else. I was trying to think of some additions to add to this, but I'm kind of brain dead at the moment. Sorry. Keep in touch. Let me know if you need anything.